Hi there! We are introducing you a blister cartoning line, packaging capsules and tablets into blisters, then packing blister sheets into cartons. The output can reach 130 cartons per minute, featuring modular design, fast mode changeover, enjoying camera detection, auto-rejecting unqualified products. Heat sealing gives wrinkle-free effects with clear texture. Blister sheets are transferred to the feeder of the cartoning machine. Waste detection system will auto-reject cartons of insufficient inserts. Continuous planetary wheel forms cartons in high speed. Batch number coding, easy operation. Each part has been coded. Equipped with adjustable digital display, maintenance is easy. Based on your facility layout, we customize straight line, L-shaped, or even cross-floor production line designs. For more information of blistering cartoning lines, welcome to contact Ruida Packing.